Hello and welcome to e-GMAT. We will solve question number 26 of OG Verbal Second Edition by using e-GMAT three-step process. In the first step, we will understand the meaning of the sentence. In the second, we will evaluate the errors in the sentence. And finally, we will review all the answer choices to get to the correct answer. So let's begin. The Baldrick Manufacturing Company has for years followed a policy aimed at decreasing operating costs and improving the efficiency of its distribution system. So this sentence presents a fact. It says that Baldrick Manufacturing Company has followed a policy that aims at two things: decreasing operating costs and improving the efficiency of its distribution system. Now let us evaluate the errors by splitting this sentence into clauses. Well, this sentence has just one subject-verb pair, which means that we have just one clause here. Here the Baldrick Manufacturing Company is the subject and has followed is the verb. Now there are no subject-verb pairs, no verbs, no pronouns in the underlined portion of the sentence, so no question of these errors. The verb ed modifier aimed at clearly modifies the noun a policy, so we do not have any modifier error here. The two factors that the policy aims at are decreasing operating costs and improving the efficiency of its distribution system. Now, both these factors are logically as well as grammatically parallel, so we do not have any parallelism error here also. Well, this sentence does not use any idiom, and the meaning of the sentence is also very clear the way it has been written. So, as such, there's no error in this sentence. So as we discussed just now, choice A is the correct answer, but we will still review the other answer choices. In choice B, we see again that decreasing of operating costs is not parallel to improve. So this leads to the error in choice B. In choice C, we see that the decreasing of operating costs is not parallel to improving. The reason being, the decreasing of costs is the verb ing form of noun, which typically cannot be parallel to improving efficiency, which is the verb ing noun form. Especially these two words can actually be written in the same form. We can very well write decreasing operating costs and improving the efficiency. Now both these forms are the verb ing nouns, and this is parallel, this structure is parallel, but the verb ing of noun and the verb ing noun cannot be parallel to each other. So this is the parallelism issue with choice number C. Let's take a look at choice D. Well, choice D repeats the same parallelism error as in choice C, and also the modifier, the aim of which must be connected to a policy through by using a comma. In the absence of that comma, this entire choice becomes very wordy and awkward. So choice D is not the correct answer. In choice E, the idiom that has been used is with the aim to, which is not correct. The correct expression is with the aim of, and this is the error with choice E. So as we found out during error analysis, choice A is the correct answer for this sentence. Time for takeaway messages. We must be able to identify correct list in the sentence which pertains to parallelism, and we must make sure that all the elements in that list must be grammatically as well as logically parallel to each other. Also, we must use the punctuations appropriately and must use appropriate punctuations also to communicate the meaning of the sentence most effectively. The concepts tested in this sentence have been covered in e-GMAT concepts level 2 parallelism comparison and level 2 idioms comparison.